everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss the best way to increase the student engagement. Why use must enable LearnDash Focus Mode. So in this channel I always give very good information which I accumulate in my experience over the time. So please subscribe to my channel. And suppose we are first we discuss what is LearnDash Focus Mode. Focus Mode is dedicated user experience designed to provide distraction-free learning environment. So if you check on my side, then you can watch many things like about service, experience, hires, portfolio, etc. There are lots of options at here. But when we give anything to student, then like course mode, then it should be only like there is should be no header, etc., no sidebar, etc., only dedicated thing. So like this, at here you can see. So now at here, why you should enable it every course. So first thing is distraction. If we see lots of sidebar, visit menu, etc., and if LearnDash Focus Mode, then zero, there is no distraction, only content. Second, navigation, confusing, easy to get lost. Like if you check at here, lots of menus is showing at here. But in the LearnDash Focus Mode, there should not navigation, etc. Perceive value, look like blog. And if we enable LearnDash Focus Mode, then look like professional academy. So it is looking like professional academy, not blog. And completion rate, in the simple mode, lower, because they see many thing like at here, and lots of option showing at here. But if we see like focus mode, then they should not see distracted items. They only check what is required for him. So they check only dedicated thing and progress bar, etc. So we go now at here, we check how can enable focus mode. So first go like now first I am disabling focus mode at here, so that it will be good for you. Now I disabled focus mode in my course, so you can see it is looks like blog, etc. So step first is go to LearnDash LMS and settings, then open global setting and click design and content mode. Design content mode at here, and you can see focus mode, and so just enable and then click on save. Set content width which you want, like at here you can see content mode is default 960. So if you want 768, 1180, 1600 or full width, so you can set, and default is 960. Now it is enabled. Now no header, no sidebar, etc. at here. So you can also enable like width, etc. currently it is coming some part of content is not showing, so you can increase width like 1600 pixel or full width which you want. Now it is coming very wide, and you can also go for full width. Yeah, because 1600 pixel is like full width. So one more thing, if you want to change this sidebar to right, then you can also fix many languages like Hebrews etc have these things, so left to right also available in the focus mode. Now at here you can see uh, okay, and like at here we understand how can enable this thing, and I also explained why this must be enabled for every course, and it professionalize your brand, it increase completion rate, better user retention. So like at here you can see at here we are showing uh, like 08 step, and like I complete, and it is showing progress to our course. So it gives some like reward to the student. And conclusion, if you want your student to actually learn the material you have worked so hard to create, you need to provide environment that encourage deep work. LearnDash Focus Mode is not design choice, it's a tool that help your student success. And if you like this video, then please like to my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.